Hey, what is up, nation? In this session, we're going to be looking at James Nicholson Architectural Design. They have a really cool project that I think I may have found on Pinterest. I have like a folder with inspirational stuff and stuff that I would like to model for you guys. So I found that in that folder and then did an image search of that and came up with his portfolio. So hopefully this is his work. But basically it's an office in a winter landscape, and I wanted to try modeling it in SketchUp and then rendering it with Lumion. In the video you'll see everything is actually done in Lumion because I've linked SketchUp with Lumion. So I'm actually modeling this in SketchUp in a separate window. So just for some clarity there. So hopefully you guys enjoy. If you have any questions about anything that I do in this, don't hesitate to leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys on the other side.